Welcome to our channel Nature Beauty Craze. The wardrobe to natural beauty tips. In today's video we will see what is almond milk and interesting facts about almond milk that you never know. Almond milk is an easy dairy-free milk substitute, made with almonds and water. It contains unbelievable nutrients and energy in it. It's perfect for pouring over cereal, using it in smoothies, or even adding to your coffee. In this video, we will see the top 5 benefits of almond milk for hair, skin, bodybuilding, weight loss, lowering cholesterol and diabetics. Almond milk can be easily made at home very easily and it is very economical. Health benefits of almond milk. Here comes our number 1 tip for you. Almond milk for skin. Regular consumption of almond milk gives you a glowing skin as it is very rich in vitamin K. Guess what will be next? Here is our tip number 2. Almond milk for bodybuilding. Almond milk keeps your bone healthy, as it is very rich in calcium. It is also perfect for bodybuilders as it helps build back muscle. Our tip number 3 is on the way. Almond milk for weight loss. It helps in weight loss, as a cup of almond milk will keep us fuller for longer period of time. It has low GI, meaning it keeps the blood sugar stable and above all it's very delicious. Aren't you excited to know more? Here comes our tip number 4. Almond milk for diabetics. It is the best substitute for cow's milk and is best for diabetics as it keep the blood sugar level stable for longer period of time. Here is our most informative tip number 5 for you. Almond milk for hair. Almond milk is rich in nutrients and vitamins and is also easily assimilated by the body, making it an ideal hair food. It keeps the hair shiny and healthy. Almond milk recipe. Almonds 1/4 cup. Water 1/2 cup. Honey, as required. Soak 1/4 cup almonds in 1/2 cup water overnight. Next day morning, peel the skin of the almonds and grind into smooth paste with water. Mix honey as required to the above mixture. Your delicious almond milk is ready to serve. Try to use organic almonds for making this recipe. This milk can be enjoyed by both adult and children. Loved our video? Don't you? Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Stay beautiful always with Nature Beauty Craze.